Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to create email campaign in Go High Level. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Go High Level helps you segment your audience based on various criteria, allowing you to send targeting messages to specific groups. This improves the effectiveness of your campaigns by addressing the unique need of different segments. An email campaign in Go High Level allows you to send a series of automated emails to your contacts. In the campaign, you design your emails using Go High Level's email editor, where you can customize the content and add personal touches. Once your emails are ready, you can set up triggers or schedules to determine when each email will be sent. Finally, you can monitor the performance of your campaign, checking metrics like open rates and click-through rates to see how well your emails are performing. This helps you refine your strategy and improve engagement with your audience. Start by logging in into your Go High Level dashboard. This is your control center for everything marketing related. Once you're in, navigate to the sub-account you are working on. Then head over to Marketing tab. Next, find the email drop-down and click on Campaigns. If you are creating an email from scratch, don't worry. You can use past templates or start fresh. For this lesson, we are going to start from scratch. So click Create New Campaign and select Blank. You can choose between the design editor or code editor. We are going with the design editor for this demo. Now give your campaign a name, something easy to remember. Use the drag and drop editor on the left to build your email. Add image, logos, social media icons, body text and a footer so people can unsubscribe if needed. Don't forget a compelling subject line, something intriguing enough to grab attention. Personalize your email by including the recipient's first and last name. It makes a huge difference. Lastly, make sure to include a clear call to action button guiding your audience on what to do next. Before you send, it's crucial to test your email. Click the 3 vertical dots and select Send Test Email to see how it looks on both mobile and desktop. Next up, choose your audience by clicking on Send or Schedule. This is where you select who receives the email. You can use Smart List, contact tags or pick contacts individually. So when should you send your email? The sweet spot is usually midweek, in the morning or afternoon. Once you have set the date, time and sender details, you are ready to hit that magical send or schedule button. After sending, you can track your campaign's performance, check your stats like open rates and click rates to see how your email is doing. Keep an eye on bounce rates too. A high bounce rate could affect your email deliverability. Go High Level helps you segment your audience based on various criteria, allowing you to send targeting messages to specific groups. This improves the effectiveness of your campaigns by addressing the unique need of different segments. They integrate with other marketing tools and CRM systems, making it easier to manage and synchronize your email campaign with other aspects of your marketing strategy. If you encounter any issues or need more detailed instructions, feel free to leave a comment. And that's pretty much all about how you can create email campaign in Go High Level. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like the video.